I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to delete a subscribed calendar from your Google Calendar account on your Android device. And to be clear, you can't delete a subscribed calendar from your Google Calendar directly on your Android device, and you can only do that through the Google Calendar website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to calendar.google.com, and then sign into your Google account. You'll land on your Google Calendar home screen. And again, you can't delete a subscribed calendar from your Google Calendar directly on your Android device, and you can only do that through the Google Calendar website. Step 2. Navigate to the Other Calendars section, hover your mouse cursor over the calendar that you're subscribed to that you want to delete, and then click the vertical ellipses to bring up a menu. Click Settings in this menu. A window with settings for that specific calendar opens. Step 3. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu to the Remove Calendar section and then click Unsubscribe. A window opens asking if you're sure you want to remove this subscribed calendar from your Google Calendar. You'll be reminded that you'll no longer have access to this calendar and its events, and that other people with access to this calendar can continue to use it. Step 4. Click Remove Calendar. That subscribed calendar will be removed from your Google Calendar account immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.